One of my favorite things about the weekend is having the time to make myself a good breakfast. This is going to be a quick video about my favorite right now. It's basically just eggs over easy with a twist. But first off, let me tell you my trick for making the perfect eggs over easy. All you need is a good non-stick pan, a flick of the wrist, and a little practice. Make sure you do it over the sink, just in case. And that's the trick, flipping them by hand for the last 30 seconds of cooking. As for the twist, it's labna, or strained yogurt. So far, this is my favorite brand. It's nice and thick and creamy, without being too sour the way yogurt is. I put a few spoonfuls on the plate and then top it with garlic powder and some ras al hanout. That's just a Middle Eastern spice mix that has a lot of nice warm spices in it. It's not spicy hot, it's just very flavorful. If you can't find it, then za'atar makes a good substitute. When it's prepared just like this, with a slice of multigrain toast, this meal is pretty good for you. Here are the macros. This is for cooking 2 large eggs in about a teaspoon of butter. It's 395 calories, 19 grams of carbs, 19 grams of protein, and 28 grams of fat. On a day that I'd be going to the gym afterwards, I might add an extra piece of toast, or on a day where I want to eat a little lighter, I might just have 1 egg. The best thing about this meal is that you can tailor it however you'd like, and you don't really feel like you're depriving yourself. If you're not counting carbs or calories, go ahead and have more bread and fruit. If you want to make this low carb, then get some lavash or low carb tortilla wraps and just eat that with the eggs instead. If you're trying to watch your sodium, then use unsalted butter and a salt-free spice mix. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. What's your favorite weekend breakfast? I'd love to hear from you.